Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 5 Thompson Lane in Canandaigua.
This is a newer ranch home near everything Canandaigua has to offer. So let's take a tour.
This is spectacular open living with a great room featuring a granite kitchen with beautiful wood cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, a breakfast bar, and hardwood floors. Open to a spacious dining area and a living area with deck access, all with scenic views. The first floor also features 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, including a master suite and a first floor laundry, while the walkout lower level includes a living area, a bedroom, and a full bathroom, which could be a perfect in-law suite. This charming home has a classic front porch, an expansive rear deck for outdoor enjoyment.
Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain. What a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 5 Thompson Lane in Canandaigua.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!